Have you ever wondered why your stomach suddenly starts growling when you're hungry? It's not just your stomach complaining. Those rumbling sounds actually come from your gut muscles. As they contract and squeeze, they mix up food, air, and digestive juices. Even when your stomach is empty, these muscles keep working, churning up whatever's left inside, including the pockets of air. When air and liquid get pushed around, it creates those weird gurgling noises we all know. So, that embarrassing growl is just your gut doing its job, keeping things moving, even on an empty tank.